Hi guys, I'm Kai, and today we're going to be unboxing a robot kit from LittleBits, and it has this theme which you would recognize. And woo, let's get this open. We've got the manual. Oh, it comes with stickers. I like stickers. You can love stickers. This is for boys and girls, because I'm not pointing fingers or anything. A lot of people think it's just for boys. Now we got this manual thing. This is what this looks like. It was from LittleBits. So yeah, you get. Oh, it comes with a battery. It comes with a battery. Oh, there's this, programming chips and all that. Here are the plastic pieces to actually build the frame. Oh, there's more. There's a lot more bits. I think I know why they call it LittleBits. Because a lot of bits. I mean, seriously. Too many bits. Too many bits. They have to know a limit. This is a lot of bits. Oh my god. So this, I don't think this came with instructions. So, okay, if you see here, it's just showing us to do this. So, this piece goes this way. So then it should be this. Oh, they magnetize together. I don't know why I said magnetize.
Hey, you're not building it right now. You're just showing the pieces.
Yeah, I was just showing you guys that they do magnetize together. So if you want to do that, if you aren't good with snapping things, these are really good for you. We got these. Stop praying! Stop! Forget it. Do it. Why? Why, camera person? Why? The battery again. These, I don't know what to call those. This. I'm sorry if this is boring. It's just a little bit. Oh, here's the instructions, I think. Or is this just this? This is, I think. I don't know. Okay, this is just a bunch of warning. See, LittleBits and. Yes, use this. Do not throw it away. Say, hey, I don't know, 3 and under, do not give it to. I'm sorry. I didn't know the 3 was back here, so, yeah. Let's open this. Open this. This is not, come on. Come in. Oh, derp. I have derped a lot today. Jar. That totally looks like what it says on the box. I'm gonna check the box later. The legs, this thingamajiggy. The torso. So I am going to assemble. What? There's that. I guess it's like babies play. We have got these parts. I don't. What do I guess? If you don't know what you're doing, do not assemble this. I'm going to read the instructions and then we're going to put this thing together. Goodbye for now, for right this second.